Good day, folks. In this, I'll be basically saying that I'm doing the anchor job. Long ago, Jessica, who was with AICHE president and who had hired me as a PR webmaster for American Institute of Chemical Engineers, and a classmate at Michigan Tech, where I did my bachelor's from 2000 to 2002, said she was going to Alaska. You know. Probably she had found a job with Schlumberger in Alaska. Anyways, also my ex sister is named like Sarah Palin, the former Alaska governor who ran unsuccessfully in 2008. And one of the reasons she lost is probably because, my wife had filed for asylum. Actually, I had filed on her behalf, and she was contesting, from my side on the asylum case, which was initially rejected because we missed the 1 year deadline. And then, we got a team of Latham and Watkin lawyers like Laura and Ellen like Elizabeth, and L.A. Bart for Michelle, and Laura Boysen like Aragon, like Laura Bush. So two floaters. And so because of Ellen also, Michelle and Barack came in, and the other part is Barbara was a floatist with the 41st president George Bush Sr., and I had contacted UBS, which is a Swiss bank, on January 7, 2008, to help me remake US market. So basically that's why probably 41 Barbara, and it was all about dollars, Barbie doll. And Barbara was also the CEO where I had interned, Arborgen, the only company I interned with in summer of 2003 actually, while at Georgia Tech. So, and they were willing to hire me, and my other mentor was called Janet Moderhack, like, Janet Yellen, the Treasury Secretary, and Modi. There was also a guy named Nehra. So like Nehru and Narendra, two prime ministers of India starting to now. And, since I came to India. And so not to ramble, Anchorage, Alaska, you guys want to try, you can talk about anything, so like technology, cryptocurrency, fintech, artificial intelligence, where you post your kids' videos for posterity, travel, beautiful places like scenery, mountains, waterfall, rivers, beaches, oceans. Everybody loves the beach, and naked flesh sells. So basically, if people do not object to, be mindful and respectful, don't deliberately shoot naked people. But if they are in the picture, because they are in public space, and they are openly flaunting their flesh, and I think most people, especially women, secretly want people to adore them or lust for them. At least movie stars, that's they thrive on lust. Basically everybody fantasizes about them. They switch the hero, take the hero's role, and end up romancing the heroine in any movie. And also, people have vicarious enjoyment by seeing beautiful scenes like foreign destinations, especially in third world countries, or if you're not rich or upper class and simply cannot afford to go to those places, or even as upper class or middle class, how many places can you visit, really? I mean, either you're too busy. I mean, the guys like Bill Gates and Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, they slave pretty much all their lives. Well, Jeff Bezos, I talked about Netanyahu retiring and going to US. So Netanyahu probably deliberately lost the election, and Jeff Bezos stepping aside as CEO. Larry Page and Sergey Brin also stepped aside. Bill Gates did it long ago in 2008. I think that was helped me remake US market. So then itself. But try your hand at anchoring, and please subscribe, like, and share, especially the subcontinentals, where we do some magic. And we have brunch talks wherein talk about visa, some of the cool places you can go to, say like Venezuela, to become a trillionaire for just a buck, or some of the places you can tour for whatever, so like Bangalore or Vietnam or Cambodia or Iran or Venezuela, for anything like sex tourism, or like say Amsterdam. Devalan, which is renowned for it, or even India, spas, or talk about market remix or Sensex. So guys, like, share, and subscribe, please. If you're subcontinental, if you're Indian, please support me. And if you're Pakistani, my ex is Pakistani, now in Indianapolis, America. So please support me, Indians and Pakistanis, guys, especially. And I've lived in America for 14 years, trying to get back, but USCIS director Ken became an asshole in denying my travel document despite UN CAT 208 regulation giving me asylum, political asylum, on 4/21, which is Elizabeth's birthday, and add 8/04, then Obama's birthday to it in 2009 incoming. That's when I got it. That's 12/25, my birthday, Christmas, the most famous one. And it cannot be a Merry Christmas, especially from, I'm from Tropic of Cancer, and I'm very candid. I've flown through Frankfurt. Unless they give me, re-entry in US. Well, my backup option is Canada and Germany. It's very easy to go to Germany on student visa, and Canada also. And I'll be earning, and building up my bank balance until I can at least secure a tourist visa. That's the last option.